Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on ambient mode on YouTube on your phone. First, we will quickly check if YouTube is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find YouTube. If there is an update button, click it. Wait for the application to update. After that, open YouTube. To enable ambient mode, we must first enable dark mode. We will click on the icon of our profile in the upper right corner. A large number of options will open here, from which we choose settings. In the following list, select General. Here we find the Appearance section. We click. From the options offered, we choose the dark theme. After that, we will open some video. We will click on the gear icon in the upper part of the clip. From the options offered, select the ambient mode option. After that, ambient mode is enabled on our YouTube. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.